Our brothers and sisters, fellow founders of ONPASSIVE, we have the golden key to success. The golden key has been given to us by our loving CEO Mr. Mufareh. Because of his loving and sharing heart and spirit, we stand to benefit like no one ever has. The golden key that we have will open the doors to prosperity that we can't imagine and the world has not seen. We are in a position that will be the envy of our competitors, but they will not be able to do anything about it. That golden key opens the doors to millions of people who have been locked up, not having the financial freedom that they needed to provide for their families because of the abject poverty that engulfs them. The golden key that each one of us has, with ONPASSIVE, opens the door to opportunity for millions upon millions of desperate, struggling people looking for a way out of their misery. All of us founders will be philanthropists, lifting humanity up and making an incredible difference in their lives. Being able to help them produces a feeling that can never be surpassed. We owe it to all we know and love and to all we don't know and love, to lift them up. What makes ONPASSIVE a loving and caring company is our CEO Mr. Mufareh, who has uncompromising love for everyone. It is an act of love that he shared ONPASSIVE with us founders. We need to pass that love forward. We are on our way to being able to do that. ONPASSIVE is a monumental success because of the positive effect it will have on humanity. ONPASSIVE has given everyone an opportunity to become a part of something that is unprecedented. Mr. Mufareh has taken all gotchas out of being a success on the internet. There are no more excuses that a person can make not to be successful. ONPASSIVE is the vehicle to get you anywhere you want to go. No one is left behind. To be a founder in ONPASSIVE is the ultimate position in which to be. There is zero risk to becoming a founder. There is no reason why a person should not become a founder. Mr. Mufareh is taking all the risks. He has the heart of a champion and a self-sacrificing, beautiful, and all-encompassing loving and generous spirit. We know that anyone in his position would not do what he is doing with his jewel called ONPASSIVE. In a world that is controlled by people who own companies and could care less about their customers, it is refreshing to know someone who is willing to share his company with us founders. Everyone living will know about ONPASSIVE if they want to do business online or offline. We can be founders and customers or resellers and customers. If you do not want to make money, ONPASSIVE will love you for being a customer. You will be treated like royalty and respected and served as no other company can. ONPASSIVE digital and AI-driven products will make it easy and less expensive to use than any other company's products. We are in it to win it. When we win, millions of people will also win. Thanks again Mr. Mufareh for having the heart to share this beautiful company with us. John White USA. A Bill Mass production.